So I'm getting ready to check the brake fluid in my 2006 Ford Explorer. So this video will cover a 2006 to 2010 Ford Explorer. Before we get started, remember to subscribe to the channel, ring the bell, and subscribe to all of our notifications. That way you'll get a heads up when we upload a new video. So to check the brake fluid is located on the firewall on the driver's side. This is the brake fluid reservoir. It's made out of plastic, and it's translucent so you can see through it. And it's kind of hard to see in the sun, but there's a minimum mark right here. So that's the minimum. The maximum fluid mark is right here. So it might be a little hard to tell in the video, but we're up to the maximum. It's right about there. So we're good to go. But if you had to add some fluid, it says right on the cap that it takes a .3. So all you need to do is take off the cover. And then you would just pour a little bit of brake fluid in. You can buy it at your local auto parts store until the fluid level comes up to that maximum mark that's shown right there. Then put your cover back on when you're done topping it off, and you're good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up if you liked it. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will reply back to you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel.